Enjoy the relaxing experience of Om. Listen to the surround sound created by double ohms and feel the relaxing vibrations on tight muscles, stiff joints, and even acupressure points. You can use them to clear your sinuses too. Our all-purpose Om tuners can help family and friends stay grounded and centered. The SomaEnergetics long stem Om tuning fork is tuned precisely to 136.1 Hertz. It's easy to use. Just activate, listen, place, and then take it with you. When you carry the relaxing sound of Om, you will always be just a vibration away from a more relaxed you. Get your Om tuners today at SomaEnergetics.com.